Hello there! In this video, we'll guide you through the sleek and intuitive eWishHub app. 1. Login or skip. Upon opening the app, you'll encounter the login screen. Signing up is optional. If you prefer not to, simply tap the lower icon to dive right in. 2. Accessing your lists. After signing in, you'll gain access to your wish lists from various online retailers. Each item in your list includes an image, title, like Vichy under eye cream, seller, like Amazon, current price, $29.21, alert price, $30, and the alert's expiration date, November 28, 2023. 3. Price status. Items with a red price indicate that the current price has dropped below the alert price. 4. Exploring products. For more details on a product, tap on it to view its complete title, current and alert prices, and seller. If you're ready to purchase, simply click the Buy Now button, which will open this product's webpage in your default web browser, for example, Chrome. 5. Removing products. To remove an item, swipe it to the left and select Yes. In addition, to see the website of an item, just double-click on its image. 6. Adding new products. To add a product, tap the alarm icon at the bottom right. The app will open an integrated web browser where you can select your preferred online retailer, for example, Amazon. Search for your desired item, set the alert price, expiration date, and click OK to save it to your wish list. Here is the product that we just add to eWishHub. 7. Price drop alerts. When a product on your wish list drops below the alert price, you'll receive a notification on your phone. The notification includes the product name, sale price, and an image. Clicking on the notification opens the eWishHub app's detailed products screen, where you can make a purchase by clicking the Buy Now icon at the bottom right. Stay tuned to discover how to make the most of the eWishHub app